Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well and welcome back to the AI Tech Explain Right channel, the place for AI professionals and enthusiasts to stay updated with AI Advanced. In this video, I will show you how to take advantages of the $300 credit given by Google for new customers to try Google Cloud products. You can use them to deploy pre-configured solutions, for example, and you have 20 plus products that you can take advantage of, like AI APIs, Compute Engine, BigQuery, and so on. I won't go into details on all these products, but I will present one of them, which is Vertex AI. I will put all the links in the video description. So here is the dashboard of Vertex AI. As you see, you have many products like Vertex AI Studio, in which you can write prompts, test, and tune generative AI models like Gemini. You have a model garden as well, where you can browse, customize, and deploy machine learning models. And from these models, you can choose either Google ones or the open source ones. We have Colab Enterprise, with which you can have a new notebook experience with enterprise grade privacy and security. You can prepare your data as well by storing and manage training data, and you store your data features after that. You can manage your model lifecycle, going from tuning and deploying, training the model, track and visualize your experiments, and so on. I won't go into details on all these parts, guys, as it's out of the scope of the video. Here I will show you how to create an account to use your $300 credit, but don't hesitate to let me know in the comments if you need any details about these concepts. So to take advantage of this $300 credit, first of all, you need to connect using a Google account. Here you see that I'm connected with my Google account. If you haven't already used your credit, you will find Start Free here in the top of the page. So let's click on it. In my case, so here I will choose country. It's Canada in my case. Agree and continue. You click on Start Free here. You need to put this information here. I leave you to do it by yourself, guys. Once you provide your address information, you need to add a payment method here. But don't worry, guys, you won't be charged anything because they use payment information to verify your identity, which prevents abuse of services by spammers and bots. As it's said here too, you won't be charged unless you activate your full pay-as-you-go account or choose to prepay. So as you have your $300 credit, you won't be charged anything. Once you enter your payment method, you click on Start Free. And here you have this message that tells you your free trial includes $300 in credit to spend over the next 90 days. So you have 3 months to use this credit. And here you have this question that you can answer to if you want. Once it's done, you just need to refresh the page and you will see that you are in free trial. Here I have 433 because it's in Canadian dollar. And this way you can take advantage of Google Cloud products for free using the $300 US dollars credit in a period that doesn't exceed 90 days. So this is it, guys, for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to put thumb up if it's the case, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this one. Don't hesitate to put a comment if you need more details on any concept about which I talked so far, and see you next time.